Creating an affiliate or a product store in literally minutes, that is what CommissionRobot is all about. Today I'm going to give you a live demo of this product so that you can see exactly how it works, how it looks like, etc. But before I do, I want to ask you to like this video, hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated with my latest reviews, and of course also the notification button so that you get a message each time I upload a new review. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to discuss the bonuses that I'm going to give away if you decide to get this product through my link. And I got some really good bonuses that are very congruent to this product that you definitely will like. So make sure you check them out later in this video. But just let's dive into it and let me show you what CommissionRobot is all about. As you can see, this is the front end of my shop. This is an online shop that you can literally create in minutes. As you can see, here are already some products that I've added to this shop. And when I click on one of these products, it will open the product page where you can see this is the product image. It will give the price in here, the title and the description, and it will give a pay button at the bottom. Now you can redirect this to an affiliate offer, or you can simply add a payment system to CommissionRobot. Now that's also one of my bonuses where I'm going to show you how you can add PayPal, the payment system, to CommissionRobot, because that's not included by default, and I'm going to show you how you can do that so that you can sell your own products so that you're not limited to affiliate offers only. Now the backend looks like this. When you log into CommissionRobot, this is what you will see. So you can see your products, your active projects, and your scheduled products. Now, it is really easy to add a product. You simply go to add product, and this is how you add a new product to your store. And this goes really crazy fast. So let's say I want to add a product which is called Affiliate Secrets. Then I can give it a description here. So I'm going to take some lorem ipsum text to fill that area. Sorry. Go here, going to paste that in here. Then you can choose a product image. So let's simply grab one from my computer, and then you can select the price. So let's say this is going to cost 13 bucks. And here you can add your affiliate link or your payment link so people can purchase or get this product through your website. So in this case, I'm going to do Google just for the example. You can select your call to action button. Right now there's one button in here, get instant access, and then you can give it a star rating. So you can say this gets 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars. So you simply select that, and then you have two options. You can post this product automatically to your store, or you can schedule this, and then you can choose if you want to add this to your store at a later point. So you can schedule your product. So you could set up your store and then fill it with 100 products, for example, and each day you add a new product to your store. Simply click on post product to store. Now you cannot see this, so let me delete myself. Let me get rid of myself. As you can see here at the right bottom, it says post product to store. So when I do that, I have a few options, or one option, which is syndicate now. And that means when you click this button, you can automatically push this to your social media channels that are connected here in your social sharing part. So you can connect these channels, so it will automatically publish to these channels also. Now, when I go to my store, you will see that this product has been added to the store. As you can see here, it's online of our Affiliate Secrets. That was the product. It was my product image. It's 13 bucks. And when people click on this image, they will see the description that I've added. They can see the star rating, and here they can click to buy this product. So in this case, we redirected that to Google. And that is how simple CommissionRobot is. That is how easy it is to work with CommissionRobot. So let me go to the backend. Let me just go through this left menu so that you can see what's in it. So I already showed you add products really quick. As you could see, within a minute, I've added my first product. Then when you click on store, it will open the store. So you will see the store view on the front end. So you will see this. And then you have your products. So that are all the products that you've added to your store. You can delete them, you can view them, or you can simply edit them or share them. And then you can also customize your store. Now, there's not much customization to this store. You can hide the logo or you can add the logo. So if you do not hide the logo, it will add the logo of Commission Store. You can give your store a name and your store headline. So when I go to my store, you can see this is my headline, products to boost your marketing. And then you can also change the header background. So for example, if you want to have another color, you could also say I want to have a red or a blue background color. So you update your store, and then here, when I refresh my screen, you will see that this has been changed. Now the CommissionRobot logo is in here because I allowed that, and this has been changed. Now then there's one more thing that you can change, and that's your store limit, how many products you want to show at the front end of your store. And that's basically everything there is, except one thing. There's also training that you're going to get access to, where you will be shown how you can make money with affiliate marketing with CommissionRobot. So they show you how to find affiliate offers and how you can sell these offers on your CommissionRobot store like this. So there's a complete training included, how to find offers on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and how to set up your store to get sales in the backend. So it's a very simple product. It does not need a lot of attention and a lot of explanation, but that's what this store is all about. I think it's a fun, cool thing to have because you can build really quickly. You can build stores to sell your products. Now, I'm also going to give you some bonuses that are very congruent to this product. So I'm going to discuss the bonuses first, and then I'm going to talk about the upsells also. So my first bonus that I muted my video. I'll give you a list of 20 high converting affiliate offers that you can sell in your CommissionRobot store. So you don't have to search for affiliate offers, which one will convert and which one won't. I'm going to give you 20 offers that you can sell on your CommissionRobot store and that have been proven to sell really well, so that you get a lot per visitor. So this is my first bonus. Then my second bonus is I'm going to give you 20 done-for-you products that you can sell and keep 100% of the profit. So sometimes with affiliate offers, not everyone gets approved to promote affiliate offers. So to give a solution for that, I've decided to give you 20 products, done-for-you products with description and everything included, that you can add to your store, and you can sell it and keep 100% of the profits. So to do that, you also going to need my next bonus. And that is how to connect your PayPal to your CommissionRobot store. So what I'm going to show you is how you can sell stuff through your CommissionRobot store directly through PayPal. And that means that you can also sell your own products so that you're not limited to affiliate offers. Basically, you can sell anything you like through CommissionRobot. So that's my, third bonus that I'm going to give away to you. Then my fourth bonus is I'm going to show you where you can find products that you can sell in your CommissionRobot store. So if you want to make sales through CommissionRobot, it's important that you have products to sell. I'm going to show you places where you can find those products that you can sell through your store. Then the next bonus is I'm going to show you 9 traffic sources to send traffic to your website. And as we all know, traffic is the life of our website where we make sales. If we don't have traffic, we're not going to make sales. So I'm also going to show you 9 traffic sources that you can use to send traffic to your website. Okay, my next bonus is I'm going to show you one hack that nobody is telling you that you will love. This is something from CommissionRobot that nobody's telling you that you definitely want to know if you are serious about running CommissionRobot as an affiliate store. This is definitely something that you want to have. If you don't know how to do this, you will lose sales, because this is really something that when I show you this is something that you definitely like if you see this. All right, the next thing, and that's my latest bonus, is I'm also going to show you how I would use CommissionRobot to make big commissions. Because I believe that you can use CommissionRobot to make some great commissions. And I'm going to show you how I personally would use CommissionRobot. Definitely something that you want to see. I'm going to explain you everything in there. All right, then back to the funnel, because you also want to know, of course, what you're going to pay for CommissionRobot. So let me share my screen. The front-end product is going to cost you $17. That's for the store. So that's not a lot of money. You get the store, what I just showed you, where you can add your products, sell your products, etc. And then the first OTO is the $42, which is the unlimited edition. Now, I'm not sure exactly. This upgrade lets you create unlimited affiliate stores, add unlimited products, and unlock additional features and training. So probably what I've showed you is one store. So this is probably one store. And then the upsell lets you create unlimited stores. So this is one store, and then the upsell lets you create unlimited stores. Then there's an upsell 2, which is the automated edition. And this lets you unlock more features such as additional accounts and scheduling ability for automated campaigns. So the scheduling is part of the upsell 2, and probably also multiple accounts. Upsell 3 is CommissionRobot 1K Daily Edition, and this shows you how you can potentially scale up to 5K a day, leveraging more traffic strategies that they teach inside. Then there's the Upsell 4, which is the Reseller Edition, and the Upsell 5, which is the Luxury Edition, which is a complete setup of a funnel for you, where everything is done for you. And that's basically what this product is all about. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot them in the comments below or on the chat on my website. And again, if you want to subscribe to my channel, first of all, if you want to like this video, I would appreciate that if you liked it. Also, hit that subscribe button below this video to stay updated with the notification button so that you get a notification each time I have a new video for you online. All right, that's it. If you have any questions again, make sure you ask them below. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my next review. Have an awesome day and talk soon. Bye-bye.